Hey guys, I'm Sherry and welcome back to my channel, The Kolkata Fashion Blogger. And again, I'm back at home shooting in my room. No videographer, no professional editor. Whatever I have to do on my own, just like the previous year. So anyway, today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite pieces from my jewelry collection, and I would also show you how to wear different jewelries with different kind of outfits and uplift your whole look. So what are we waiting for? Let's start then. So first, I'm going to show you this white oxidized silver necklace, and it's not original silver, but this I got from Vipasha Ghosh's collection. I will mention her Instagram link on my description, so do check it out. And it's my absolute favorite. It's a beautiful piece, like it's very wide and very huge, and I paired it with some more neck pieces. I don't know what it's called, but I call it hashuli, but this is not real hashuli. But it's my absolute favorite because whenever I'm in doubt, my go-to jewelry is this. So I also paired that heavy neck piece with this, and also with this silver oxidized neck piece. This is from Goria Haat. So I paired 3 of these neck pieces with a black shrug, which I wore as a tie-up off-shoulder top, and I love how the whole look turned out, and the neck pieces are really stealing the whole show. And it's also very elegant, chic and Indo-Western. Okay, so next is this black polished oxidized jhumkas. You can see these I got from Bornali Bishwash. I will also mention her Instagram link in my description, so you can check it out. And I absolutely love this because these are so huge. Like, I love huge earrings. I don't like small earrings at all. Like, even if it's studs, I have to wear big studs. So, and it's also not very heavy. Yes, it is a little heavy. Like, big earrings are always heavy. And I paired these jhumkas with plain solid white long kurta and a sap green dupatta, and tied up my hair in a bun, so it looks very clean, very neat, yet very elegant, and the earrings absolutely steals the show. It's the main thing which you will notice in the whole outfit at first. Okay, so next is my very favorite piece. This is a multicolored huge choker, and you can wear it like this, and this is from my mom's collection, like from her boutique, and I will mention the Instagram link in my description. So I was going to say in my bio. Anyways, so in my description you can check it out, and it is handcrafted and it looks so beautiful. Like, you can wear it with Indian pieces and Western outfits, anything. And I just wore it with a light pastel green colored dress, and this choker is bringing out the beauty of the dress so much. Like, it acts as a statement. Like, whenever you're going out wearing this, everyone's eyes will be on you. I'm sure about that. And also, if you want to wear it with Western outfits, you can always wear it on a t-shirt, like on a simple plain white solid t-shirt, and tie it up, like make everything stylish, and wear like hula jeans and throw a denim jacket on top of it, and you will be good to go. Like, it will work as a statement always. I love this. This is my absolute favorite piece. Okay, so next let me show you these pearl hoops. You can see. And these are, again, I also got from Bornali Bishwash. I will mention her Instagram link in my description. You can check it out. And this was so much on demand the last year. I was like searching for it everywhere online and from the resellers. Finally I got it, and this looks very cute and very like a different kind of cute. Okay, it instantly gives you a cute appearance even if you're wearing with Western outfits, Indian outfits or anything. But I like to wear it best with a sari, a pink sari, and I paired the sari with a maroon off-shoulder blouse, which is actually an off-shoulder top, and I tucked it in. And I also paired it with pearl hair clips, and see how cute does it look. Like, I absolutely love this outfit. Okay, now let me show you this famous neck piece. I'm calling it famous because every one of my friends know that I have this one neck piece which is very funky and which is made up of earrings, and my aunt gifted it to me. Like, she made it, like she handcrafted it. It is again such a piece that it instantly adds something different to your outfit. Like, it instantly changes the styling game again. And so I paired it with a lot of things. So this time I just paired it with this pastel pink color kurta that I'm wearing. It's actually a halter neck khadi top, and I paired this neck piece with it. and I wore a long skirt with it so that it balances the whole color palette of the whole look, and I loved it. It's very neat and very cute and very pretty and Indian kind of outfit. Okay, so now I will show you these pair of tassel earrings, and look how pretty these are. They're of ochre yellow color, and you can wear it with any kind of contrasting color, like it will easily catch your eye. And I just paired it with my favorite black crop top which has this text on it, and I love it because it says my body not yours, so just off. So yeah, and same color pants on the bottom of it, and that's it. And next I'm going to talk about this neck piece, and which is not actually a total neck piece, like these two pieces are different and these two are separated, these two are not attached together. And this is actually, this locket, this pendant is actually a earring, and I'm going to show you that, like I myself dashed it to the neck piece. So this is the black polished oxidized silver earrings, and this is a black polished oxidized silver neck piece. And this again I got from Godhuli jewelry collection of Dikshita Das, whose Instagram link I will again mention in the description, so you can check it out. And I wore this neck piece along with this hashuli again, and paired with another white silver oxidized neck piece. And I paired all of these neck pieces with a sleeveless light blue shirt and tied it up in front and with white pants, and the whole look has turned out to be one of my favorite till now. It looks very Indo-Western, very chic, very different, very quirky. So yeah. And lastly, I would like to show you these pair of tassel earrings, and these also I got from Goria Hut. Like most of my tassel earrings are from Goria Hut, and I actually bought it at first for wearing it with a dark sea green, like the same colored top. But then it was not looking so much nice. Then I figured it out all these years that I have to wear it with totally different color. These earrings doesn't go well in monochromatic outfits, so I paired it with a white crop top, as white goes with everything, and a pair of pink pants because pink and sea green goes so well together. Like I can't tell you how. You can see it yourself, like how nice and subtle this look turned out to be. And still the earrings are an attraction of the whole outfit, yet the look is not too vibrant because of the earrings, yet it is very subtle and very well balanced. So that was it. That was all for my jewelry collection. And you know, as they say, like jewelries and hair can actually make or break a look, and I really believe in that. Like jewelries are a very important part of styling your whole outfit or your whole look. So I think I've told all the things as much as I know. So I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please like this video and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I put out a new video. So bye until next time.